How much does it cost to replace a valve stem? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to replace a valve stem? If you are a teenager learning to drive or just starting to own a car, this is an important topic to understand. Valve stems are small but essential parts of your tires. They are where you add air, and if they wear out or get damaged, your tires can lose air pressure. So, how much does it really cost to replace one? Typically, the part itself costs between $10 and $15 if you are using a standard rubber valve stem. This is a common type used in most passenger vehicles. If you have a high-performance or heavy-duty valve stem, the price may be a bit higher due to the special materials used. Now, let's talk about labor costs. Some shops might charge a small fee to replace the valve stem. This can range from about $10 to $30. If the tire needs to be removed from the rim to replace the valve stem, the labor costs can go up. This could add an extra $20 to $50 to the total cost. In some rare cases, like when you go to a dealership or have a specialty vehicle, the total cost might exceed $100. However, this is not the norm for most cars. For teenagers, knowing how to check and replace a valve stem can save you money and keep your car in good shape. If you notice your tire losing air frequently, check the valve stem for any cracks or leaks. Many tire shops will replace the valve stem when you get new tires or fix a flat tire. This is often done at little extra cost. If you want to try replacing it yourself, you can buy replacement valve stems for just a few dollars. However, keep in mind that this usually requires special tools and removing the tire from the rim, which can be tricky. To summarize the costs, the basic valve stem replacement part costs about $3 to $15. If you need labor, it can range from $10 to $50. So, the total typical cost for most passenger cars is around $10 to $65. Understanding these costs helps you take better care of your vehicle. Regular maintenance, like checking your valve stems, can help you avoid unexpected air leaks and keep your car safe to drive.